Congratulations. Your child is now graduating from high school and going on to college. But before we start celebrating so much, let's talk about what could happen and what should have happened and what we should have did. Now, what's going to happen is that now your child is going to apply for what's called FAFSA, and they're going to find out for financial aid. And what could happen is that the money in your bank, the house, the money in your 401ks, IRAs, investments, all these different things could actually affect their eligibility for financial aid because all these things are considered an asset. But what should have happened is that when your baby was born, that beautiful child of yours, you should have took out what's known as a cash value life insurance and save money in this vehicle and plan for their college education in this vehicle and put that money away versus probably someone at your bank probably looked at you and said, hey, you should do a 529 or probably a custodial, savings account. And what happened in that scenario is that all the money in that 529 or the custodial account actually count as asset against that child. And God forbid if your child decides they don't want to go to school, they want to be a rapper or they want to be a trapper or whatever they want to do, these kids they call it, we don't know. But if they want to do something different than go to school, now you saved all that money and you got to get access to it, and now you got to pay taxes on it because you didn't use it for school. So that's why if you would have saved your money in a cash value life insurance, and you could have put as much money as you like in there, even up to $1 million, it didn't matter. Because why? FAFSA does not recognize life insurance cash values inside of it as asset due to the tax code 7702 section A that makes life insurance not even considered an asset. So that's why it's important to save your money for your child in a cash value life insurance so that way your child can have money for a lifetime and not a lunchtime. And that's why you want to learn how to keep winning the money game. So once again, congratulations. They graduated. They're going to school. But hey, this could actually hurt them now. So if you don't want to make that mistake, let me show you how to continue winning the money game. And even if your kids are in school, let me show you how to correct it. See you at the top. Keep winning.